guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajana and this video will be of unboxing Sulwhasoo's skincare product. So this one I just got it recently. This is a skincare starter set. So if you are familiar with Korean brands, then Sulwhasoo is one of the high-end brands and many people love this brand. So I have decided to try the skincare starter set. So let me open and show you what's inside this set. It's quite heavy. So inside we can find this paper about the products, and also actually at the back side you can already see the name of the product and what they're used for. So here we have the balancing water eggs, the emulsion, the cleansing foam, and we have the sample size first care activating serum and the cream, and also we have two masks here. So this one is the overnight vitalizing mask X, and this one is the clarifying mask X. So I think this one we leave it on after we put all our skincare, and at the end we put this one and then we just go to sleep. For this one I think it's a peel off mask. And then we have one sheet mask here. Actually there are two of them. I'm looking forward to try these masks. So when I asked the shop assistant there, and then she suggested this line of Sulwhasoo for my skincare, for my skin of my age. And as you're aging, I think we need to really take care and spend a little bit of money. First, how to use this is, I think we have to use the foam first. After that, I also have another product which I bought it before the set. So this is quite popular. This is the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum X. So I think this is quite raved about. And then first we wash with the foam, and then we put the activating serum, and then we put the water X, which is like a toner, and then the emulsion, and then finally the cream. So this one is for me. And then I also bought another set for my mom. So when we asked the shop assistant there, she suggested this line of Sulwhasoo for people with more aged skin. So this one is the concentrated ginseng skincare set. Okay, so let me open this one and show you. And then also has the paper about the skincare. I think all of them have some ginseng product inside for renewing your skin. This one is the renewing water, just like the toner, and then the emulsion. This one is also small size renewing water and renewing emulsion. And then this one is serum. So a sample size serum, a travel size. And then the small one here is an eye cream, renewing eye cream. And then this one is the cream. So the travel size or the sample size are a bit small, so I think they will finish quite quickly. So the main two products are this one. So if we like the small size, then I guess we can purchase a normal size one. So these are the Sulwhasoo products I recently got. So I'm looking forward to try them and see if it actually helps my skin. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching the unboxing with me. Bye.